Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word sheaf. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I gathered a sheaf of wheat from the field to use for decoration in my home. A sheaf refers to a bundle of cut stalks of grain or similar plants that are tied together, typically after harvesting, for storage or transport. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.